Hello, good morning students. Today's class on advanced physiography section number 3, which will be based on halving principle. All the words are related with halving principle. First word is as it, as if it were, as circle, if halved for it, and were के लिए way upward with upward R, by which it was, by B above the line, which have for it, J have for it, and was. If it is not, F have for it, S circle for is, and N have for not, T. If it be not, if have for it, B have for T in the not, and N hook for not. If it were, F half for it, and were away and upward R, in which it is, N stroke J half for it, and S circle, in which it has appeared, N stroke J half for it, has circle T downward R halved for D, of which it has been, of J half for it, has circle with bean, of which it must be, of J half for it, must M stroke with S circle with B, able to make, able half for 2 joined with M and K, able to think, able half for 2 with think. I am able to think, I tick am able to think, able half for 2 and think. I am unable to think, I am in का stroke, able half, unable हो गया ना, able half for 2 think. We are able to make, way upward R, able half for 2 M and K. You will be able to, you, L upward B, able to, able half for 2. I cannot be, I tick cannot, half K with an hook and join with B. I cannot say, similarly, I cannot join with say. I cannot see. This is through the line because of C. Same outline of I cannot with C. I hope you will. I hope के लिए P. You will not. L upward and hook half for T. I may not be. I tick may half for T with N hook joined with B. I shall not be. I ish N half for T and B. I trust not. I का hook ter st loop and N half for T. I was not. I was N half for T. You cannot. You K half for T with N hook. You may not. You M half for T with N hook. You must not. You M full with S circle and half for T. You should not be. You should take upward N half for T with B. You were not. You downward R half for T with N hook. You are not. You are upward half for T with N hook. I would. I cut it with way upward half. If it would be. If half for it would upward, way upward half with B. They would. Similarly, they way halved upward. They would be. Similar, they would join with B. They would not be. They would and half for T with B. We would, we, full outline where and another way halved forward. Few words F through the line with way halved and with circle S. In our words, NR hook with full out stroke of N with way half with S circle. Many words on the line MN way half with S circle. At any rate, above the line T and R halved for another T rate. ठीक है. At all times till at one T half for another T times. दो टी आ रहे हैं, एक एट का एक टाइम्स का. ऑल के लिए हम एल का हुक लगाएंगे. एट ऑल टाइम्स एम पूरा आएगा. एम विद एस सर्कल. एट सम टाइम टी above the line S circle, M half for coming T for time and another M is full stroke. At the same time, at the critic S circle, M half for T and last is M full. For some time above the line F, S circle, M half for T and M stroke full. From time to time, for half for the sake of first T time. Okay, and another M is also half for next T of time and last is M full. So this is on the line for halved, M halved, M full. Next is some time ago, S circle, M halved, M full, gay.